Number 4, letter A, you're asked to rationalize the denominator of 8 over root 2 plus 1. Now, we're going to use the property of the difference of two squares. We know that when we do a plus b times a minus b, what that gives us is a squared minus b squared. So we're going to exploit this property. And what we're going to do is we're going to realize that the denominator here is nothing more than just a plus b. So what that means is we have to multiply the top and the bottom by a minus b. So we're going to multiply by square root of 2 minus 1 on the top and on the bottom. And the reason we're doing this is because when we multiply conjugates together, root 2 plus 1 and root 2 minus 1 are conjugate terms because there's a plus in one bracket and a minus in the other. When we multiply them, what we get is the first term squared minus the second term squared, and that's useful for us because this square will eventually cancel out this square root, and we don't want square roots in the denominator. So what happens here is we get the top times the top, bottom times the bottom, 8 times all of root 2 minus 1 divided by, and what we have in the denominator is the difference of two squares. So root 2 squared is 2 minus 1 squared is 1. So I can rewrite this as 8 times root 2 minus 1 over, and now 2 minus 1 is simply 1. So this is really just 8 times root 2 minus 1. And I don't actually need to FOIL the 8 in, although I could, but I don't need to because at this point over here we've rationalized the denominator, there's no more square root, and we're all done. We're done here.